Hi there, welcome to my channel mathssl. I'm speaking Saqib Atif. Now I'm going to show you another question about the first principle. This is the last question, and the question said determine first derivative from first principle if f of x is equal to 1 over x. I choose the fraction this time, and this question is posed in my uh, June 2024. Have a look. So obviously I'm going to apply the power rule first here. So before I apply the power rule, I have to get rid of uh, the fraction. So if anything in fraction or in square root, we have to first solve that. So I'm gonna explain to you more in detail in my next video about the power rule. But now, for here now, so I need to, so f of x is equal to, I can write x negative 1. Why? Because when this x power is 1, if I pull him up become negative, and if I want to make negative positive, I pull him down become positive. This is the exponents rule, remember, a power negative n, and if I want to make him positive, 1 over a power n. If I this one I want to, if I pull him up become negative. So exactly same thing happen here. Now this is the exponent law. Now, so we're gonna apply the first derivative here. So first derivative, I use the power rule. So now negative 1 time a is a coefficient is 1, so the positive 1 become negative, so it's gonna be a negative. So the x, and now negative 1 minus 1 become negative 2, and I have to write him again in fraction form. Is going to be a negative, and 1 over x power 2. When I pull him down, I apply again this formula. So when I pull him down, you can see if I pull him down become positive. So now x power 2 become positive, so the answer gonna be negative 1 over x power 2. So this must be my answer when I'm gonna apply the first principle on this function. Have a look. So the formula say f prime is equal to limit h approach 0 and f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now limit h approach 0, so by the x we're gonna add x plus h, so it's gonna be a 1 over x plus h and minus, and whole f of x is gonna be a 1 over x over h. Now again limit h approach 0. Now we need to solve here. You can see we can take LCD, lowest common denominator on top, so it's gonna be a, so x plus h, x plus h is my LCD. So now x plus h divided by x plus h, so it cancel out, only left x times 1 is gonna be a x. Now negative x plus h, x and x cancel. Have a look here, x and x cancel, only left x plus h. X plus h multiply 1, the answer gonna be x plus h. And now again main denominator is h. Now so must be bracket here, very important, because have a look here, x and x cancel, and x plus h multiply 1 is x plus h, but outside is negative. Now h approach 0. Now x, this negative must go inside, negative x, negative and positive again, negative h over x plus h. Don't simplify, nothing, leave just like this, over h. Now the limit h approach 0. Now we need to cancel what we can. On top, positive x and the negative x is gone. We only left with the negative h. So we got top negative h over x, x plus h. Now this is a denominator. I'm gonna invert. So division become multiply. But remember, under is 1 here, h over 1. So if I invert, become 1 over h. Remember I told you, if you want to say you got h over 1, when I invert, become 1 over h, because now it's gonna be in multiplication form. Now this h and this h is cancelled. We left on top negative, and the bottom is x, x plus h. You can add one more step, limit h approach 0. On top is negative. You can say negative 1 over x, x plus h. We left with this one. Now I'm gonna apply the limit here. Place of h, I'm gonna put 0. So it's only left negative 1 on top, and this becomes 0. X plus 0 is gonna be 0. So x times x, you can add one more step, only left with x. So once you multiply, become x square minus 1. X times x is x square, negative 1 over x square. This is my final answer. You can see by first principle and by power rule, the answer is exactly the same. So which means our calculation is correct. There is nothing wrong with our calculation. So this is the right answer. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day.